Hey CashCrafters! Welcome back to CashCraft Lab, your hub for making smart money moves and building real financial freedom. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest ways to earn money in 2026 using AI tools. Yep, AI isn't just a tech trend anymore. It's a money-making machine. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to boost your income, I'm going to show you multiple ways you can leverage AI tools to make real cash this year. And don't worry, I'll give you step-by-step examples, tools to use, and tips to scale your income fast. Before we jump in, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a money-making strategy. Let's get started. First, let's understand what we mean by AI tools. AI tools are software powered by artificial intelligence that can do tasks faster, cheaper, and often better than humans. Examples include ChatGPT or Jasper for writing, Midjourney or DALL for image creation, Runway or Pictory for video editing, AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot. These tools are not just cool, they're money-making machines if you know how to use them. And here's the key. You don't need to be a tech wizard to start earning. AI is leveling the playing field. In fact, people are already making thousands per month just using these tools to create digital products, services, and content. And I'll show you exactly how you can do it step by step. One of the fastest ways to make money with AI is freelancing. Here's how it works. Writing an AMP. Copywriting. Use ChatGPT or Jasper to write articles, blogs, sales copy, or social media content. For example, someone could charge $50, $200 per article using AI for faster output. Graphic design. With Midjourney or DALL, you can create logos, digital art, or social media graphics. Many clients on Fiverr are willing to pay $50+ for AI-generated art. Video editing. Tools like Pictory or Runway can create videos automatically from scripts or blogs. You can offer YouTube video creation services for $100 to $500 per video. Resume and AMP. CV writing. People pay for professional resumes. AI can speed up the writing process and help you serve more clients. Here's a tip. The key to success is combining AI speed with your personal touch. AI does the heavy lifting, but you add creativity, strategy, or customization. That's what clients pay for. Example, I had a student who started offering AI-generated logos on Fiverr. Within a month, he had 15 clients and made over $2,000 using nothing but AI tools and his creativity. Next, let's talk about creating your own content. AI can help you generate blogs, videos, and even social media content, which you can monetize directly or indirectly. YouTube channels. Use AI to write scripts, generate thumbnails, and edit videos. Channels without showing your face are booming thanks to AI. You can monetize through ads, affiliate links, or sponsorships. Blogging. Use AI to create articles faster than ever. Then monetize with Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. Ebooks and AMP. Guides. AI can help you research, write, and format ebooks in hours. Sell them on Amazon Kindle or your website. Tip. Don't just copy AI output, edit it, add value, and make it unique. The combination of AI speed plus your expertise is unbeatable. Example, one creator used ChatGPT to write a 30-page ebook in a single day. She sold it for $20 each and made $2,000 in her first week. That's the power of AI. Finally, let's explore full AI-powered business models you can start in 2026. Print on demand. Use AI art for t-shirts, mugs, and posters. Sell on Etsy or Shopify. AI chatbots for businesses. Build chatbots for small businesses and charge monthly recurring fees. AI-powered courses. Create a digital course using AI to generate content and visuals. Affiliate marketing with AI. Use AI to write reviews, social posts, or video scripts promoting products for commissions. The key is leveraging AI to create value faster than competitors. In 2026, speed plus quality equals money. All right, cash crafters. That's how you can make money with AI tools in 2026. From freelancing, content creation, automation, to full-blown AI businesses, the opportunities are endless. Key takeaways: start small and experiment. Combine AI with your unique skills. Scale by automating repetitive tasks. If you liked this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more actionable finance and money-making strategies. Comment below which AI method are you going to try first. I'll personally check your comments and give tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, your future wealth is just a smart AI tool away. See you in the next video.